Hello everyone, my name is John Creasy.
And I am Mike Janis. Welcome to our online course, Internet Essentials for Teachers. This is an online-based course, so in order to submit all of your assignments, you'll have to take pictures to provide evidence that you were able to complete everything that we assigned you. This video is designed to teach you how to submit your work. There are 3 ways that you'll be able to submit your work, and we're going to take you through those 3 ways on this video. One way will be using a snipping tool for Windows PC. The second way that you can save your work would be to save it as a PDF file. And the third way would be, if you have a Mac, you will use the link that we sent you in the email at the start of class. That will link you up with a YouTube video that can take you through the steps for using a Mac.
Alright, so I'm going to be showing you the first way to save your desktop as a picture and then send it to us. So the first thing you want to do is, for Windows PC, is click on the Start menu, click on All Programs, and go up to Accessories. In that folder you're going to see a little tool called Snipping Tool. Click on that and it'll basically kind of white out the screen, and that's just showing you that you can take a picture of the desktop. There's different functions here also. You can do a freeform snip, rectangular snip, window snip, full screen snip. I would really stay within the rectangular snip or a full screen snip. For right now I just want to show you, if you click on rectangular snip, it's going to come up with this little crosshair. Kind of pull it down. You can see it took a picture of what I just highlighted. So what we want you to do is kind of send some information about yourself. I'm not going to save that. I'm going to go into Word, bring up Word, and then I'm going to use myself as an example here. So I'm going to type in my first name, John Creasy, my last name there. Where I teach at Sachem East, and what I teach is Earth Science. Please fill in your own information there. Make that a little bigger so I can see it. Then I'm going to go back into Start menu, All Programs, Accessories, Snipping Tool. I clicked on Rectangular Snip. I got my crosshairs. I click and drag, and I'm highlighting what I just did. And there it is, John Creasy, Sachem East at Earth Science. Now I want to save that. So I click this Save button.
This is evidence that you've completed your work, and this is what we need to see to know that you've completed the assignment.
Exactly. So we hit Save. I'm going to save it to my desktop because it's just easier. It's going to save it as my last name, but you're going to use your last name, obviously. Underscore. I'm going to leave it preliminary assignment. It's already there for me. It's not going to be PDF. I'm going to hit Save. And that should show up on my desktop. Here it is. That picture we just took. Double click on it, and there you go. There's the picture. Now, with that file, you want to send that to us. So you go to your email. Our email is just for this course. It's going to be Creasy and Janis, our 2 last names, at gmail.com. The subject should be the title of the assignment. So in this case it was Creasy, which again is my last name, but you're going to use yours. Preliminary. And then you would attach the file. It's right there. Open it, and now it's attached. You just send it, and that's it. You submitted. That's one way to submit your work.
The second way that you can submit an assignment is by saving it as a PDF. You're supposed to save the image of the final step of the process. So if this was the website, that was the final step of my assignment, I would go to File, Print, and I have to make this image on the screen turn into a PDF file. Up at the top you'll probably have your printer as an option to click here. You're looking for something that says Adobe PDF or PDF Creator. You make sure that that option is clicked. You click the Print button, and you're going to save it just as John did with the previous assignment. Since I'm doing it, I will save it as Janis underscore preliminary assignment. You save this to wherever is convenient for you. Once it is saved, the file should pop up automatically. And now this is the file that you would save and send as an attachment, just as John did with the previous one, to demonstrate that you were able to complete the assignment. Once again, check the YouTube link in the email if you're using a Mac to learn how to save your work using a Mac.
So this is the conclusion of our first video. I hope you enjoy the class.
If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to email us at cresciandjanice@gmail.com. We hope that you get something out of this course. Thanks.